Well, hello, you guys. Welcome to Stash Smash Saturday. We are working with our kit still, which is Peachy Keen from Fancy Pants. And today is, what day is it? It is the 18th, so we are going to work with this lovely sketch by Peacecraft Loved. I actually really like this one. It makes me want to use a cut files as stencil. Hold on. This is the 54th Stash Mash I have done with Becky, which is really awesome. And yeah, I keep all these scraps until I decide I don't need them. So yes, I'm still holding on to these pieces that I ripped. I know it's kind of silly, but that's what I do when I am working with stuff like a kit like this, and I want to use up as much as I can. So that is definitely what I do. We've got a lovely sketch. So I'm trying to think. Do I have, I think these three photos actually might be exactly what I need. And there's all the reds and rich tones in here too, so I think I'm going to use these three photos. So let me kind of look through and see what else I want to do with this. And we'll do some cutting, and I'll trim my photos down and get them matted, and then I'll check back in with you and we'll see where we're at. But this is a good place to start, that sketch. Remember, also I have my 7 items from Stash Mash that I'm supposed to use. I need to use green, rub-ons, mixed alphas, a vertical design, cut files, a stencil, washi, and sequins. Well, I'm definitely not doing a vertical design because we're doing the sketches this month, so this is not a vertical design at all. I have a feeling there's going to be no green in this one, but there is a green water bottle, so maybe that counts. We'll see. I'll see what else I can come up with. For sure we're not doing a vertical design. So like I said, let me get some cutting and figuring, and we will check back in. So I was at a retreat and started working on this page, but then stopped so I could show you guys what I was gonna do. But I thought we would use this cut file from MK Shop. I got in one of her, it's like, it was a Misfit box, but to me this cut file is perfect. But I thought this would be perfect for using it as a stencil, and we'll do some spritzing to create some of the mixed media look. Ow, I just stabbed myself with my tweezers. That's interesting. They're pointy tweezers. I wanted to grab these, so I had them to flip over. But I just layered up some of those torn pieces behind some of the blue, got my photos matted and laid down. I love that. Glued them all together so that when we do some mixed media, that part can just get moved. But I think I'm just gonna do some spritz and then some with the stencil too, so I've got a little bit of everything. Because there's that coffee circle look, and so I kind of want that, but not necessarily coffee circle. I have no idea what my title's gonna be, but we're gonna have to do a mixed alpha because that's also on. And I gotta add some washi in somewhere as well, and sequins and rub-ons. After I do some spritzing, we'll find some rub-ons to add as well. Okay. Let's hop to it. So I want a couple spritz. Spritz really well. Not. We're gonna want that to dry. Getting the idea of that. All right. Washi. And then we will stick down rub-on. And then we will do some washi. rub-on. Just go right over the photo. There, I've got washies and rub-on. Washies, rub-ons, cut files, stencil. I just need sequins and mixed alphas. And I've got some of that. Okay, this is turning out super cute. So I added the cut file then. I cut it in two, and I really am enjoying that. I did dinner entertainment. I got the two, so we just need sequins. And I got the mixed alphas. We got rub-ons. We're doing good, people. We're doing good. Let's see what we got for sequins. I feel like some red orange. These are Country Christmas. There's two red, maybe. I'll think about that a little bit more. Let's see what we got for ephemera. Since it's pre-dinner, you can add little Coke bottles. I don't necessarily want to add flowers. I really like these sunglasses. I think I'll add those right there. Even though I'm sure there's plenty of other pages I could have added sunglasses. I don't know. I can just put this flat on like that. And we can journal right here. Sounds good to me. I kind of want some more of these like minty color. Let me see if I can find some minty color sequins. I'll get some stuck down, and that'll be it. So you guys will get some close-ups. Thank you so much for watching. Ava, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.